Hey, fellow OnSongers, this is Steve Hansen, a member of the forum. I have been a long time OnSong guy. As you can tell, I have an OnSong hat, I got my OnSong shirt on, I think. There you go. I saw something going on in the forum this morning I thought I'd weigh in on. This is something I meant to make a video a long time ago and just never have. Someone asked a question about, hey, we're moving from Planning Center to OnSong, and how do I share data amongst folks? Super easy to do, yes, with Dropbox and some of the other ways that people have mentioned, but I wanted to share with you real quickly how I use Planning Center and OnSong together. So what I do is I have all the stuff in OnSong, and that's how I execute on Sunday mornings, right? So I use my iPad on my stand, and that's what I use on Sundays as I lead worship. But in preparation, everything that I do is in Planning Center. What I started doing a long time ago was actually, rather than building out my songs in OnSong, like in Chord Pro, Structure, or what have you, as a text file, doing that, because I don't use PDFs, I use text because I want it to be really specific. I actually do that in Planning Center and then import it into OnSong real quick and easy. So let me show you how you do that real quick. I'm going to just give you an example based on this coming weekend, which is Mother's Day 2019. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I do, and hopefully it'll be helpful for you.
Here's a quick setup on my PC. Pardon the mess around my desk, but I'm going to show this to you. So this is Planning Center. Obviously, I've got it set up for my weekend services for Mother's Day this weekend, and obviously I've just put a single song into my set list, which is Good Good Father. Haha, nobody get triggered, all right, it's a joke. But I've got Good Good Father. Well, as you can see, what I've done in all of your songs in the Planning Center platform, you have the ability to do this thing called lyrics and chords. Well, what I do is I've taken any of my charts or whatever, and I have done over time. I didn't try to do them all at the same time, but as you'll notice, I put lyrics and chords into my Planning Center songs in Chord Pro format, just like this, right? So as you can see over on the left, I've done it here, and then this is what it's going to look like when I print it out. And I print them all out from Planning Center for those on my stage that aren't using OnSong. I have a few people that don't. Well, great opportunity to do that. So again, I build them here in Planning Center, and then all I do on a Sunday morning, the last thing I do before I go out the door is I go to OnSong, pardon the really, really old iPad, and I'm trying to do it without looking at it, but I go up here to songs. This is going to be really slow because I don't know what I'm doing. And I go to, I'm going to add a song, but I'm not really adding a song. I'm adding it from Planning Center right there. And I'm going for weekend services, and I should come up with the plan for this weekend, which is May 12th. And I'm going to grab that, and it's going to ask, it gives me all the options. Now, I could opt to bring this in as any different file type. I could bring it in as a PDF if I have it. I could bring it in as anything else as I want to do. I'm choosing to bring it in at text, so it brings it into OnSong the way I want it. So I'm going to say import it, and it's asking me if I want to update or duplicate the songs that I already have on the iPad, and I'm just going to say update. There we go, and it's done. Now, what's interesting about that, again, I said it's the last thing I do before I go out the door. It went to Good Good Father. But now if I go to my sets right away and I hit the sets at the bottom thing, the first thing it does is pop right to my Sunday set, which has Good Good Father in it. And of course, as you can see, it's got all the stuff in Good Good Father that I wanted before. The chords where I want them. It's in text format. I can edit in here if I want to. I'm a console guy, so I'd use console to edit. But this is a really quick look at how Planning Center and OnSong can work together if you want to make them do so. If you do all of your planning in Planning Center, but you want to execute in OnSong, great way to look at it. If you have any questions, go ahead and hit me up on the forum. You can DM me anywhere on social media. It's at Steve Hansen Live. I'll put that in the video somewhere here. And I'd love to be able to talk with you and share my expertise. Thanks again to Jason and the whole crew at OnSong for having a great product, and excited to share more with you guys down the line. Have a great day. Happy Mother's Day. And for those of you people out there leading worship on Sunday, I got your back, praying for you already. Have a great day.